Why do something manually when Python can do it for you? Let's automate tasks using Python script in just a couple of minutes. First, choose a task to automate, like renaming files, sending emails, web scraping, or scheduling tasks. First, install OS for file operations, and then create a Python file and name it renamefiles.py. And now inside your Python file, please add on the following code. And now let's see how it works. The script lists all files in a folder. It renames each file with a new prefix and keeps the original extension. And yeah, there you have it, Python doing the boring work for you. Try automating emails, backups, or web scraping. Work smarter, not harder.